Oh, no, you didn't. You didn't just play my song. That's right. Your boy JD Knows went out and bought myself an iPhone 11. Now, apparently, the iPhone 11 is the best bet for most people to buy an iPhone. So, I will be upgrading my iPhone 10 to the iPhone 11. So let's do a quick unboxing. You've probably already seen all this from millions of other YouTubers since it's been out for about a month. Alright, but this is my unboxing. It may look the same, but it's not the same like every other unboxing. Or is it? Alright guys, so here's my iPhone 11. I did get the 128 gigabyte one, the sweet spot. Apparently, everybody keeps telling me. All right, so let's open it. Now, there is something different about the Chinese iPhone compared to the American one, and we're gonna find out what it is exactly. All right, so very basic. You got your iPhone. You got the color on the side, color on the bottom. Top, side, everywhere. All right, let's open it up. All right, ooh, I got the green one. All right, let's take it out like so. All right. What else we got here? We got our paperwork. Same thing like everybody else. Paperwork, stickers. All right. And you'll probably end up having the ejector there. So let's toss that aside. Alright, we got the slow charger. I wonder how slow is it really? I never really paid attention to how fast my iPhone charged. I just toss it on and just over the night. And then you have the headphones and you have your cable. Basically everything else. Alright, so let's put these off to the side. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, I'm not one of those YouTubers that say, oh my god, this feels so good when I take this off. No, it's just plastic. All right, now, what I heard is that the Chinese version of the iPhone has dual SIMs. So you can put 2 SIM cards in it. Unlike America, where you can only put 1. So let's see if that's true or not true. All right, let's open it. All right, so let's see. I see for 1 and 2. So yes, as you can see with the Chinese version, you can have dual SIMs. 1 on the back and 1 on the front. So, yeah. 1 on the back and 1. Yep, so the Chinese version allows you to have dual SIMs. The American version, I know for a fact, does not. You can only have 1 SIM card in the iPhone. Alright guys, so this is the iPhone 11 unboxing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. And look, the SIM card thing's doing green too. I just noticed that. Alright, cool. Like ice. Alright, so this is the iPhone 11. Let's go through the spec list real quick to see what you are getting for this phone. All right, is it really worth all the money? Especially here in China, it's like whoo, way more expensive than America prices. All right, but lucky I had a trade in, and I traded in my old iPhone, so kind of lowered it down a little bit. So, all right, let's take a look at the specs for the iPhone 11. 11. Alright, there was a spec list. So remember, a lot of people said the major difference between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max is basically the camera system, the display, and the battery. Three main things. So you're not really losing as much on the camera quality. You're just losing the telephoto lens on this one. But who actually uses that unless you're like spying on your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend or dog? I don't know. Alright, so whatever. Alright, so this is the iPhone 11, which is considered the best bet of the iPhone series, 11 series, to buy. Let me know down in the comment with your iPhone 11 in your country, does it support dual SIMs already in the tray? Alright. Just type down and say, yes, it does. And I live in China. I live in India. Alright. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Hit the bell for notification. And don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate massively. Massively? A lot. Alright. I'm your host, JD Knows. And as always, my followers, stay cool like my minty green color.